You must have seen a lot of PC builds in YouTube, and especially when talking about gaming PC builds, RGB gives you a special feel. And there are a lot of RGB products for building a PC, and one of the important thing is an RGB keyboard. So if you take the RGB keyboard prices in India from reputed brands, it costs around 5 to 10,000, even 20,000 rupees. But what if there is a gaming keyboard which is costing only 1,200 rupees with 3 pattern rainbow lighting as well as a breathing mode and so many other features? So for that, stay tuned to this video because the product is behind me. Hey guys, Arnav here from Tech Arena, and before moving on to the video, if you end up liking this, do consider smashing the like button and also click the red color subscribe button below the description box. It's absolutely free. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you stay updated in our channel. Now let's see what's that keyboard. So the RGB keyboard which I was talking about only costing 1,200 rupees. Well, it's called as the Nighthawk NK101 gaming keyboard. Well, before moving on to the first impressions, let's talk about the price. When you compare it with the other RGB keyboards available in the market, this one is the best in price with a lot of features. So now let's see how is the build quality. Initially, when you see the keyboard, it's made up of metal all around the body except the keys, which is plastic. And the keys, if you turn off the RGB lighting, it won't be visible because the keys, they have printed it transparent. They have not printed white keys, which you can see during the daytime. But if you only switch on the color, then only you will be able to see the letters because the keys are made transparent. Now talking about the color customization, so the color can be changed by pressing the PAU button on the top right, and to switch on the color breathing mode, you have to press the function on the bottom, then press the PAU button on the top, which you use to change the colors. Well, while talking about the in-hand feel and typing experience, even though it's a membrane keyboard, not a mechanical keyboard, it gives you the clicky feel and sound when you type in a mechanical keyboard. Yes guys, this is not a mechanical board, but it's a membrane keyboard with a mechanical feel to it, which is pretty interesting. The suspended keys actually give a mechanical feel. While talking about the late night experience with this keyboard, well, the keys are totally visible. It's absolutely great to use this while there is no light because it gives you a lot of rainbow lighting effects, and especially when you play it on the breathing mode, it gives you a top-notch experience. Well, overall for this price, 1,200 rupees, well, the Nighthawk NK101 is a really great keyboard. Well, there's another model to this keyboard also, which is called as the NK102. The link will be in the description below. You can check that out. And also there's a gaming mouse which is called as the NM101, I guess. So the link will be in the description below. And if you buy both of these mouse and keyboard at once, it will be a great combo for your PC gaming experience. Well, overall, I love this product as an aspect of the price, build quality, and the given features. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Now let's see in the next video.